Hey friends, if you wish to remove the MS Resource app name text from start menu, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, app name basically means the name of the app. It can be ShareX, it can be anything. But for the sake of this example, I will choose a ShareX app so I can show uh, how to fix the problem. Now, search for ShareX and click on app settings in the right pane. And then you can scroll down and select terminate here. This will terminate the process. Wait for a while and then click on repair. Wait till you get a tick mark here, okay? And if that doesn't help, then you can reset this application. So by the time you reset the application, it should surely be fixed. But if it still doesn't get fixed, then simply uninstall the application from here and wait for a minute or so before the application is uninstalled. Now search for store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for ShareX and hit enter. Okay, go to the ShareX application and click on install here. This will install the ShareX application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.